The Society for Range Management W.R. Chapline Land Research Award gives special recognition to members of the Society for exceptional and sustained research accomplishments in range science and associated disciplines. One award may be given annually. This award honors researchers whose work advances the science of rangeland management and whose contributions have lasting impact across landscapes, disciplines, and generations. The Society for Range Management is proud to present the W.R. Chapline Land Research Award to Dr. Kirk Davies. Dr. Kirk Davies is a rangeland scientist with the Agricultural Research Service in Burns, Oregon. Dr. Davies has always had a tie to rangelands as he grew up in rural eastern Oregon and received a dual Bachelor's of Science degree with majors in rangeland science and crop science at Oregon State University in 2000. He then went on to complete his PhD in rangeland science in 2005 from Oregon State University. Immediately after graduating, he began his career with the Agricultural Research Service in Burns. Throughout his education and professional career, his dedication and performance have been widely recognized. He has won many awards throughout his education and professional career for high performance, dedication, and contribution to the science of rangeland management, weed science, and restoration ecology. Dr. Kirk Davies is one of the top rangeland scientists in the world and has developed a research program applying state-of-the-art techniques to develop a better understanding of rangelands, plant invasions, restoration, and disturbance ecology. He is a very prolific scientist, publishing over 270 scientific works, with over 190 peer-reviewed scientific journal articles. In the past 5 years, Dr. Davies has published on average greater than 13 peer-reviewed scientific journal articles each year, 50% of which are as first author. His work has had a profound and lasting influence on both science and management. Dr. Davies has had a profound impact on range management and science through his cutting-edge research. His research accomplishments are recognized broadly by scientists in rangeland ecology and in other fields, such as restoration ecology, wildlife biology, fire ecology and management, weed science, and general ecology. Dr. Davies' research is heavily used in rangeland science and management classes in universities across the western United States. A few of Dr. Davies' numerous accomplishments include research in grazing management, seed enhancement technologies, and managing invasive annual grasses. One of his most significant contributions has reshaped how grazing is understood and applied in sagebrush ecosystems. Dr. Davies' research has fundamentally altered how grazing is viewed in sagebrush rangelands. He demonstrated that well-managed livestock grazing is generally compatible with western rangelands and can be used to decrease invasive annual grasses, reduce fire risk, and decrease fire severity and behavior. Dr. Davies also determined that strategic grazing could be used to diversify introduced grasslands and promote the growth of native shrubs in restoration projects. His research on livestock grazing is heavily used by the BLM and Forest Service to guide and justify grazing management decisions. Dr. Davies has also emerged as a global leader in rangeland restoration technology. Similarly, Dr. Davies' research in seed enhancement technologies not only places him as a leader in rangeland restoration, but a leader of technology development that is solicited and applied in diverse ecosystems globally. He has led to a multi-institute and international team developing seed enhancement technologies to overcome barriers to improve restoration success. Dr. Davies and collaborators developed agglomerations of seeds to overcome crusting soils, activated carbon pellets and coatings that neutralize herbicides in the microsite around seeds to allow seeding simultaneously with herbicide control of annuals, and seed pellets to improve seed-soil contact with broadcasted seed. He also determined that bet hedging approach to seeding could vastly improve the seeding success of hard-to-restore keystone species. Dr. Davies conceived the idea and led the effort to incorporate activated carbon into seed enhancement technologies to allow seeding to occur at the same time pre-emergent herbicides controlled invasive annuals. Dr. Davies conceived and led the implementation of a major, large-scale bet hedging study. The potential of seed technologies to vastly improve revegetation of invasive annual grass-invaded rangelands has resulted in the BLM and Forest Service providing funding for Dr. Davies to further develop and evaluate these technologies. Researchers in South America, North America, Asia, and Australia are implementing research projects using activated carbon seed coatings and pellets based on Dr. Davies' pioneering work on this topic. Preventing invasion and restoring function to degraded rangelands remains one of the greatest challenges facing rangeland managers. Preventing annual grass invasion and control and revegetation of annual grass-invaded rangelands is needed to ensure rangelands provide quality livestock forage and wildlife habitat and protect ecosystem function. However, information on successful prevention and revegetation strategies is lacking. Dr. Davies determined that bunch grasses were the most important plant functional group to maintain and restore in order to prevent annual grass invasion and could be planted around infestations to limit their spread. Dr. Davies determined that prescribed burning prior to pre-emergent herbicide application improved annual grass control and could be used to establish a dense stand of bunch grasses, thereby increasing livestock forage production and improving ecosystem function. Dr. Davies also determined revegetation success and resistance to reinvasion by annuals were greater with introduced compared to native plant species, but established native vegetation was resistant to reinvasion by exotic plants. Beyond his own research, Dr. Davies has dedicated himself to advancing the field and supporting others. In addition to a highly extensive research program, Dr. Davies receives requests from around the world to help evaluate research programs in other countries and across disciplines. Not only is Dr. Davies' research and expertise prolific and impactful, but he provides consistent and stalwart dedication to helping the next generation of rangeland researchers and land managers. He has mentored numerous graduate students and postdocs and continuously delivers support to the diverse land managers of rangelands. For his exceptional and sustained research accomplishments, his global impact on rangeland science and management, and his unwavering commitment to advancing both knowledge and people, the Society for Range Management is honored to present the W.R. Chapline Land Research Award to Dr. Kirk Davies.